Did you know that mixing cucumbers with certain common foods could trigger serious health issues? Yes, this refreshing veggie could be harmful when combined with the wrong foods. Today, we're revealing 13 food combinations with cucumbers that can disrupt digestion, spark inflammation, and in severe cases, even lead to life-threatening reactions. So, before you make your next salad, stay tuned to learn which combinations to avoid for a healthier, safer diet. 1. Tomatoes and cucumbers. Tomatoes and cucumbers are staples in salads and healthy dishes, but they don't actually mix well in terms of digestion. Here's why. Digestive enzyme conflict. Tomatoes are acidic, while cucumbers are alkaline. Mixing these foods can confuse your stomach's digestive environment and may lead to discomfort, bloating, and slower digestion. When acidic and alkaline foods are consumed together, the body may have trouble breaking them down efficiently. Nutrient absorption. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene, while cucumbers are hydrating and contain fiber and vitamin K. However, consuming them together may inhibit the absorption of certain nutrients. The acidity in tomatoes can hinder cucumbers' ability to deliver its nutrients effectively to the body, and vice versa. 2. Spinach and cucumbers. Spinach is known for its high oxalate content, which can lead to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Pairing spinach with cucumbers could potentially worsen this risk. Oxalate and kidney health. Spinach contains high levels of oxalates, which, when combined with cucumbers, can lead to increased acidity in the stomach. Oxalates bind with calcium and other minerals, preventing their absorption and contributing to the formation of kidney stones. Nutritional inhibition. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green rich in iron and calcium. However, combining it with cucumbers may interfere with the absorption of these minerals. Cucumbers contain ascorbic acid oxidase, which could break down vitamin C in spinach, rendering it less bioavailable. 3. Bell peppers and cucumbers. Bell peppers and cucumbers may seem like a refreshing, colorful combo, but combining them can disrupt digestion. Digestive conflict. Bell peppers are high in fiber and contain natural sugars that require longer digestion times, while cucumbers are mostly water and digest quickly. When combined, bell peppers and cucumbers can create an imbalance in the digestive process, leading to bloating and discomfort. Nutrient interaction. Bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, and cucumbers have an enzyme called ascorbic acid oxidase. This enzyme can destroy vitamin C, meaning that combining these two in a meal could reduce the nutrient value of bell peppers. 4. Dairy products and cucumbers. Pairing cucumbers with dairy, such as yogurt or milk, is a popular culinary choice in many cultures. However, some health experts advise caution when combining these two. Disruption in digestion. Dairy products, especially yogurt, contain probiotics and proteins that require an acidic environment for digestion. Cucumbers, on the other hand, are alkaline. When eaten together, they can lead to stomach discomfort, gas, or bloating as they disrupt the digestive process. Toxin formation. Some Ayurvedic principles suggest that mixing dairy and cucumbers can lead to toxin formation in the body, creating what is called ama, or undigested metabolic waste. While this is more of a traditional belief, it is worth noting that modern research also supports the idea that difficult-to-digest combinations can burden the digestive system. 5. Melons and cucumbers. Melons and cucumbers may seem like they would pair well since both are high in water content. However, this combination can disrupt digestion and lead to health issues. High water content and digestion. Both melons and cucumbers are mostly water, but melons digest much faster than cucumbers. When eaten together, cucumbers may slow down the digestive process for melons, leading to fermentation in the stomach. This can cause gas, bloating, and even stomach cramps. Fruit-specific digestion. Melons are best eaten alone, as they break down in the intestine and don't pair well with other foods. Eating melons with cucumbers could lead to digestive disturbances, as the body struggles to break down these two foods together. 6. Citrus fruits and cucumbers. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and limes, offer an array of health benefits, but they should be kept away from cucumbers. Acid-alkaline imbalance. Citrus fruits are highly acidic, while cucumbers are alkaline. Mixing acidic and alkaline foods can lead to an acid-base imbalance, disrupting the stomach's natural pH. This can cause acid reflux, bloating, or indigestion, particularly for individuals who already have a sensitive digestive system. Nutrient absorption issues. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, and cucumbers contain an enzyme that breaks down this vitamin. Combining these two could potentially reduce the efficacy of vitamin C, which plays a vital role in immune health, collagen production, and antioxidant protection. 7. Hot peppers. Hot peppers like chili, jalapenos, and other spicy varieties are known for their heat, which comes from capsaicin, a compound that can irritate the digestive tract if consumed in large quantities. When paired with cucumbers, which have a high water content, there's a risk of disrupting the stomach's pH balance. Increased digestive sensitivity. Cucumbers and hot peppers can both have effects on the digestive system. Cucumbers, due to their water content and cooling effect, may interfere with the digestive enzymes necessary to break down the intense compounds in hot peppers. This can lead to symptoms like bloating, cramping, or even stomach pain. Compounded gastric issues. Capsaicin in hot peppers stimulates the stomach lining and increases the production of acid, which can worsen acid reflux and indigestion when paired with cucumbers, known to be mildly diuretic and irritating when overeaten. 8. Carrots. Carrots are rich in fiber, beta-carotene, and vitamin A, making them excellent for eye health and immunity. However, their fiber content and the specific enzymes they contain might not mix well with cucumbers. Nutrient absorption issues. When consumed together, certain enzymes in carrots may inhibit the absorption of vitamin C from cucumbers. Studies have shown that carrots contain a compound that can partially deactivate ascorbic acid vitamin C in cucumbers, reducing their nutritional benefit. Digestive complications. The fiber in carrots can require more effort to digest than the high-water cucumber. When these are combined, it can sometimes cause indigestion or mild bloating due to the different pH levels required to digest these foods. 9. Onions. Onions are highly nutritious, rich in antioxidants, and have anti-inflammatory properties. They're excellent for cardiovascular health, but might pose problems if eaten alongside cucumbers. Intestinal gas and bloating. Onions contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can ferment in the stomach and lead to gas production. Cucumbers are also known to cause minor bloating due to their seeds and fiber content. When paired, they might result in uncomfortable bloating or flatulence. Enhanced gastrointestinal discomfort. Onions are known to stimulate the stomach to produce more acid, which can conflict with the alkaline effects of cucumbers, leading to discomfort or mild nausea. 10. Garlic. Garlic is widely appreciated for its medicinal properties, especially due to the active compound allicin, which has been shown to have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting effects. But when paired with cucumbers, it might not be ideal for your digestive health. Bad breath and aftertaste. Garlic can lead to a lingering taste in the mouth, and when combined with cucumbers, the effect might be intensified due to the sulfur compounds in garlic, creating a more potent aftertaste. Digestive irritation. Garlic can stimulate digestion, which may conflict with the mild diuretic effect of cucumbers. This can lead to cramping, gas, or nausea when the two are consumed in large amounts. 11. Beans. Beans, including black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas, are packed with fiber and protein, making them a staple for vegetarians and vegans. However, their combination with cucumbers might not be as healthy as it seems. Digestive disturbances. Beans are known to produce gas due to their high fiber and oligosaccharides content. Cucumbers, with their water content and fibrous skin, can further exacerbate gas production and lead to bloating or discomfort. Nutrient absorption concerns. Beans contain phytates, which can reduce the absorption of some minerals. When combined with cucumbers, which have trace minerals like magnesium, the overall absorption of nutrients might be compromised. 12. Lentils. Lentils are another rich source of plant-based protein and iron. They are excellent for heart health, blood sugar regulation, and muscle repair. However, like beans, they can cause issues when eaten with cucumbers. Fermentation and gas. Lentils, being high in fiber and complex carbohydrates, can ferment in the digestive tract, producing gas. When combined with the water content and mild acidity of cucumbers, this can lead to increased bloating and flatulence. Potential for indigestion. The digestive system may struggle with breaking down both foods simultaneously, which can lead to indigestion, mild cramps, or a feeling of fullness that lasts longer than desired. 13. Pineapple. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. This tropical fruit is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, but has potential complications when eaten with cucumbers. Acidity conflict. Pineapple is naturally acidic, while cucumbers are alkaline. This contrast can interfere with the digestive process and may lead to acid reflux, especially in those with sensitive stomachs. Enzyme imbalance. Bromelain in pineapples can enhance digestion, but combined with cucumbers, it might cause a rapid breakdown of food in the stomach, which can lead to indigestion or bloating in some cases.